If you want your fermented soda to look like this every time you make it, you've got to master the ginger or turmeric bug. Think about it like a sourdough starter, but for homemade soda. It's Jen again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric bug. Obviously, wash the turmeric, and you want the skin there. The skin is what's going to actually ferment. I made a big batch in my quart jar, but you can always half this in a pint jar. Add a 1/4 cup of turmeric. I like to dice mine because the bigger the chunk, the faster the fermentation happens. Some people will shred it like cheese, and it just takes a little longer to ferment. Cover that with water with about a 1-inch headspace to the top of the jar so there's room for the fizz. Then you're gonna add equal parts sugar of your choice. Honey or cane sugar works perfectly fine. Since I used a 1/4 cup of turmeric, I did a 1/4 cup of sugar. Again, if you use a smaller jar, just cut this in half. We're heading into summer, and because it's warmer, fermentation happens way faster than in the winter. Let this sit in a cool, dry place for 1 to 3 days, and as soon as you see bubbles, strain the liquid. You might also have to feed the bug if it doesn't ferment quickly, and that'll be explained on the screen. The bubbles indicate that the bug is ready. If you let it sit any longer, things could get really gross really fast. There's so many methods to do this, and I personally don't like to reuse my turmeric bug often. The most I'll do is reuse it twice. So after straining the liquid and using it for soda, I would add more liquid, more sugar, more turmeric, and do the whole process one last time. Then I'll use the leftover turmeric or ginger for a stir fry. Stay tuned so I can show you the process of actually making the soda.